Have you always dreamed of putting your designs on fabric or wrapping paper? Join my Doodles coaching week that starts on January 11th. I'm going to show you how to start with a hand-drawn doodle. We're going to bring it into Adobe Illustrator together to turn it into what's called vector art. Then we play with color, which is super fun, to add color to your little doodle or your sketch. And then I'm going to show you how to create a seamlessly repeating pattern like you see me doing. I'm going to walk you through it step by step by step. And then you will have a file that you can turn into fabric or wrapping paper or wallpaper yourself. I'm going to teach you all of that for just $10. Click the link below and I'll see you there.